Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, I don't know if you like me. It's just a habit. I don't know why. People might say, well, why? If you're going to dirty it again. For some reason, I have the habit of wiping my stove before cooking. I don't know about you. Even though my stuff could be clean, I always keep it clean. But for some reason, I always wipe my stuff before cooking. I said stove. I just finished refreshing the whole apartment, bathroom, bedrooms, both bedrooms. I didn't record none of that because I'm getting ready to do a home tour. I gotta change my curtains in my room. I'm going to put my lace green Christmas curtain. They're short, but it's fine. So, guys, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use, yeah, you're going to hear me. You know, Thanksgiving. So, I had left plenty of meat, like I told you guys. And I packaged it in separate freezer bags. So, I have left the 2 drums. I got it right here. The 2 drums, 1 wing, and some of the white meat. So I have it in there for quite a while. I took it out of the freezer. It's thawed. So I'm going to shred it. I also have a chicken thigh that I have fried chicken thighs. So I'm going to shred them, the chicken thigh and the turkey, and we're going to make yellow rice with meat, because I can say chicken or turkey because it's going to have both. And then I'm going to make beans on the side. I am not going to make any other type of meat because it's going to have plenty of meat in the rice, and I think that should be fine. And we're going to have that, and I still have my avocado here, which is kind of soft. Let's see how it looks inside. So let's see how it looks inside, guys. Let me grab a knife. Hold on, guys. Guys, this avocado looks beautiful. So we're going to have this with our rice and beans. I also have a yellow plantain, so we are going to make that, and that's going to be our dinner. All right, guys, so I'm going to get started by shredding my turkey and chicken, and I'll bring you back for the next step. All right, guys, I have a little bit of oil on my frying pan. And I'm telling you guys, I'm going to use stuff that I have in my fridge. I don't know about you. I don't like throwing food away. I went grocery shopping, 3 days ago. I have food, plenty of it. Thank God for that, from all the blessings. But I refuse to throw food away that I can actually do something with it. So I have my turkey here shredded. As you guys can see, it's plenty of it. It's dark meat. And of course, I also have a chicken thigh there. So I have my oil there. And we're going to make a new meal from it. You know, some people be like, oh, I don't know what to do with this chicken or this turkey. Learn. Do a new meal with it. All right. This is about a teaspoon of adobo. We're going to add 1 package of sazon. I also have maybe about this little bit of corn here. I'm going to make a delicious rice. I'm going to show you. Let's add some garlic. Plenty of garlic. We love garlic here. All right. And to that, we're going to add our chicken and turkey. You see all that meat in there? There's no need to cook meat on the side. Let me bring you guys close so you guys can see. And turn you guys down. Okay. So we're going to let this get hot. Meanwhile, I'm going to be chopping some, what do you call this thing? I think it's cilantro. And we're going to add it to the rice. Yes, it is cilantro. This is so good for you guys. I'm telling you, it's one of the best herbs that you can eat for your tummy, for anything. What I do use it as well, I am not a doctor, but what I do is I also use it on my tea. Let's wash this. We'll place it in our rice. Let's put this away for now because I'm going to be use them for the beans. All right, guys. So I'm going to let that get warm. Meanwhile, I'm going to wash. I'm going to rinse out 1 cup of rice. That's plenty for my husband and I to eat today for dinner and for him to take for lunch tomorrow. All right, guys, I'll bring you back in a second. All right, guys, I have all my ingredients that I'm going to add to my rice there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to taste for flavor, see if any salt, pepper, or anything. Oh my God, that is so delicious. Let's add a little bit of black pepper. The flavor, it is so good. And remember, guys, I got 1.5 cups of rice. Even though I could use the same spoon, it's only my husband and I eating today. So, all right. I'm going to I'm gonna leave it uncovered. So I need some of the water to evaporate. And then we're going to get to the beans. Let me get my pot for the beans and what I'm going to add to the beans. Well, I decided to change. I have in my refrigerator 1/2 can of peach and peas. So I'm going to use this one. I don't want to open a can. So we're going to use this one. This is plenty for my husband and I. So, yeah, guys, the rice is drying. We're going to cover it, turn it on low, and just let it cook. So meanwhile, I have my pot here. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to start bringing that to a boil. I have an onion here. I'm going to wash. I don't peel my, onion. A potato. I don't peel my potatoes. I use everything. I have a brush that I scrub them really good. I use everything, and then I have 1/2 onion here, also that I have in my fridge. I'm going to that I used for making scrambled eggs this morning. So I'm going to chop in little pieces to add to the beans, and I will be adding some sazon, sofrito, adobo, and a little package of ham to the bean. But meanwhile, we're going to have that boiling. So let me get to the potato, guys. Well, everything is in the beans. Just gonna let them boil. Here's our rice. We're going to stir. You know, I thank my mom every day. She raised us, showing us the struggle of life in the 60s, 50s and 60s and 70s to have a plate of food. So how to create something new from a meal that you have from previous. And that's what I have done all my life. I have taught my daughter and my son. So, you know, it doesn't mean because you have an abundance of something, you are not going to appreciate what you have. So you have to learn how to be creative and make a different meal for something that you have previous, that you be like, oh my God, I'm so sick of turkey. Make it in a different way that you're not even gonna think you eating turkey. You eating, I mean, you know in your mind is turkey, but it's going to taste like chicken. It's going to taste like something else. It's how you prepare things. I know there are a lot of people from the Bahamas. I'm talking about Barbados, Dominican Republic, you name it, Haiti. They have learned how to make different types of meal with food that they have. You know, that's what we are taught as we were growing up. So guys, I'm going to bring you back when it's time to serve. So of course now I have to clean the little mess behind me and get ready to show you what it looks like. And guys, in this video has a secret word, and this magic word is coming in a few minutes. Once you use that word in a sentence, I will run you playlist overnight from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have done it. I have done it for Make Design Corner, At Home with Lisa, Sarah's Designs Corner, Frugal Mama. I have done it from all of them. Just make sure that you use the word in a sentence and I will run you playlist. All right, guys? So I will bring you back in a minute. And you have to be the first one to comment the word for me to run the playlist. And I only do one person per video. All right? So every other day I will be having a video with a magic word that you are going to use in a sentence. So I'll see you in a little bit. The rice is looking good. It smells wonderful. Let's see if this is done. I still have a little bit of bite to it, so I'm going to leave it on. I put it on my lowest heat. Guys, remember I added turkey to my rice and I added corn. The magic word to use with this video is corn. All right? I always give you a word that I use in the video. The beans will be done when the potatoes are done. All right, guys, I'll bring you right back. Well, guys, dinner is done. We decided decided to say this for breakfast. Yes, guys, breakfast. Over easy eggs, sweet plantain, and bacon. Yeah. So we decided to save that for breakfast. I'm going to serve myself. My husband is still at work. It's about to be one, and I have not had breakfast. So all I have was coffee. So I am hungry. So we're going to eat. All right, guys. So remember to use the word. Just gonna put a little bit of beans on top of my rice because I'm going to mix it anyway. So there's plenty of beans for my husband to eat when he comes home and for him to take to work. Yeah, guys. Here is my beautiful avocado. Whatever of the avocado that we don't eat today, I will do a hair mask for my hair and put it on my hair, leave it for an hour. All right, guys. Here is my meal from yellow rice with turkey and chicken, gandules, green chickpeas, beans, and a slice of avocado. Guys, let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Bon appetit.